Hi everyone, welcome to Vietnam Remy Hair YouTube channel. We provide a complete range of high quality hair products, wet hair extensions, wig, step-in, clip-in, close-up, frontal, feathers, all made from premium Vietnamese hair. Today I am in the parking place. We will show you how we park our hair. As one of the biggest human hair suppliers in Vietnam, we ship hundreds of kilograms of premium hair every day to clients worldwide. However, the challenge here is how to preserve the hair quality during the shipment process, lasting for days or weeks. Good packing is the key. Let's follow me to understand more. A comb, scissors, button top, button the hair oils, clear plastic bags are all we need for packing our hair. We follow 3 steps. For packing our hair, we follow 3 steps. Step 1. Comb the hair. We measure every bundle to the correct inch and apply the hair oil to each step is to preserve the moisture of the hair, avoid drying during the shipment process. Step 2. Gently put the hair bundle in a clear plastic bag using one rubber band to keep the bundle fixed inside the bag. Step 3. Put the packet bundle in the carton box. Wrap the carton box with bundle hair. The bundle hair will prevent the packets from being opened and torn apart during the shipment process. Ta-da! Here yours! We have a packet ready for shipment. This is the way we wrap boxes. Very simple, but still compact and secure through the shipment process. If you find the video interesting, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos in the future. The hotline number is still in the description box for you. Hope to hear something for you guys. Get your premium hair today. Fast, reliable, and worldwide shipping. Message us now and let's pack your perfect hair. Bye.